I was in need of a new keyboard and mouse, and so recently ordered this one off of Amazon. Came the next day, and it was simple to connect, and this is what it looks like in real life. Comes with the tabs in the back, right? I can easily type, and the mouse is super movable, goes along, as you can see, from screen to screen. I have no problem with that. So it's really a great price, I think, value for what you pay for, and has held up really well. So I enjoyed it every day.
Hey guys, today reviewing the Logitech Mk270 wireless keyboard and mouse combo. I've been working remotely for a long time, and this has always been coming in handy. This is a new one I just got, but just want to take a second, look at the keyboard, look at the mouse. You can see this is the box it comes in. Here's the actual keyboard, full number pad, which I really like. I use that a lot. And then the mouse. The best part about this is it just has one USB attachment that runs both the keyboard and the mouse. So that's really nice. Runs on two AAA batteries here and two AAA batteries, I believe, or a single AA that go in the mouse. But really nice function. Also, you can turn the keyboard on and off, or the mouse on and off if you don't need to use it, or you're traveling or transporting it, whatever it may be. So really nice. You can hear the keys are super quiet, which I like. Easy to use. It's got these shortcut buttons up here, which I don't use a ton, but the volume, which is really handy. Sometimes the keyboard or the calculator, you'll see it kind of pop right up there on the screen. So really nice value and a great product.
When before I ordered it, if you can't find USB, it'd be on the side of the box on the flap, and it was a little crushed up a little bit, so we thought we lost it. It took us about 20 minutes to find it, but it's right here.
Just received the keyboard and mouse. It's pretty smooth, and also mouse is silent to touch. So far, it's really good.